Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? Rainbows are so beautiful. It's like magic. One minute there's nothing there. Then, suddenly, a big arch of colors appears. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. It's a colorful party in the sky. But do you know how these magical rainbows are made? Let's find out. Sunlight looks white or yellow, but it has a secret. It's actually made up of many different colors all mixed together. Think of it like a big box of crayons. You can use these crayons to color a beautiful picture. Sunlight is the same way. It has all these colors just waiting to be seen. You can actually see all the colors of sunlight with a special tool called a prism. A prism is a triangular piece of glass. When sunlight passes through a prism, something amazing happens. The light bends. When it bends, it separates into all its different colors. You can see each color individually. It's like magic. Section 4. Raindrops. Tiny prisms in the sky. Have you ever wondered how something as simple as a raindrop can create such a magical display? Now, where do rainbows come in? They seem to appear out of nowhere, but there's a fascinating science behind it. Well, raindrops act like tiny prisms in the sky. These little droplets are more than just water. They are nature's own light-bending tools. When sunlight shines on these raindrops, something amazing happens. The light enters the droplet and begins its journey. Just like with the prism, the light bends. This bending of light is called refraction. It separates into all its beautiful colors. Each color travels at a different angle, creating a spectrum. Each raindrop becomes a tiny prism, working together to create a stunning array of colors, putting on a light show in the sky. The next time you see a rainbow, remember the tiny prisms that made it possible. Section 5. Bending light, making rainbows. Here's how it works. When sunlight encounters a raindrop, a fascinating process begins. When sunlight enters a raindrop, it bends and splits into different colors. This is the first step in creating a rainbow. This bending is called refraction. Refraction occurs because light travels at different speeds in different mediums, like air and water. Then the light bounces off the back of the raindrop. This internal reflection is crucial for the next steps. This bouncing is called reflection. Reflection helps to direct the light back out of the raindrop. As the light comes out of the raindrop, it bends one more time. This second refraction further separates the colors. All this bending and bouncing makes the colors spread out even more. The light spreads into a spectrum of colors, creating the beautiful arc we see. This is how a rainbow is born. The combination of refraction, reflection, and dispersion of light inside raindrops creates the stunning natural phenomenon we call a rainbow. Section 6. The colors and shape of rainbows. You always see the colors of the rainbow in the same order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This sequence is due to the different wavelengths of each color. Red has the longest wavelength, while violet has the shortest. Red bends the least and violet bends the most. This bending of light is called refraction, and it happens when light passes from one medium to another, like from air to water droplets. That's why red is at the top and violet at the bottom of the rainbow. The light is refracted, reflected inside the raindrop, and then refracted again as it exits, creating the spectrum of colors. Rainbows also usually have a special shape, a semicircle or an arch. This shape is due to the angle at which the light is refracted and reflected inside the raindrops. This is because of how the sunlight bends and bounces off the raindrops in the sky. The light enters the raindrop, bends, reflects off the inside surface, and then bends again as it exits. Isn't it amazing how something as simple as sunlight and raindrops can create such a beautiful and colorful display? The combination of refraction, reflection, and dispersion of light results in the stunning phenomenon we call a rainbow. So next time you see a rainbow in the sky, remember the magic of science at work. It's a perfect example of how nature's laws create beauty in our world. Enjoy the moment and appreciate the science behind it.